Steak and fries, anyone? Don't mind if I do. Cooking Company are going to take you on a fantastic journey to home bake these super easy and extremely tasty potato wedges with lashings of butter and garlic. Ooh, yummy. And not to forget our fabulous steak bites, fried over in, yes, that's right, lashings of butter and garlic. Little bit of spring onion sprinkled over the top, and voila, you have the perfect snack for a party. What a crowd pleaser this is. Steak and potato wedges. All you need is 500 grams of diced beef, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper goes onto that, plus 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and the same in onion powder and garlic powder. Mix it all together, completely coating your meat. Let it rest for a little while to take in those flavours. And that's going to be absolutely delicious. Meanwhile, get 800 grams of potato sticks. 100 millilitres of melted butter is poured onto that and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Just mix that all in. You might want to use some gloves here so that you don't get red, oily hands. You can in fact use any spices you like. Now we're going to lay those out on a baking tray, ready to put in the oven. Ready to go. That gets baked for 15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Right, we're going to get 100 millilitres of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of garlic. Stir it together. And we're going to just brush that onto our potato wedges. This is going to make them come up nice and crispy. Stick them straight back in the oven to bake for a further 15 minutes. Ooh, yummy. Now we get 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or use less or more if you prefer, and it's time to cook your seasoned beef chunks. Stirring is a very important part of this process. You've got to keep it evenly cooked. Take that out of the pan and add 170 grams of butter. Melt that away, add 3 tablespoons of garlic, so as you can see, loads of garlic in this recipe. Pour your cooked beef back in and stir some more. Keep stirring until the beef becomes a nice golden brown colour on the outside, sizzling away. Now, if you want healthier alternatives, you can always use less butter or less oil, even coconut oil or half-fat butter. You can use lean beef. You could also do a chicken version if you don't like beef. Now it's ready to serve. We just sprinkle on some spring onion for a finishing touch. Lovely and green. And there you have it. Garlic steak bites and wedges. You could even add some cheese over your fries, sour cream on the side, whatever takes your fancy. Perhaps some barbecue sauce. Choose your flavours and enjoy. Whatever you decide, this one is sure to be a showstopper. So tender. Ooh, look at that. Delicious.